Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To my lovely subscribers, you're such a darling. For those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, please guys subscribe. Subscription is free, guys, to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video. So guys, been wondering why this hair is this colored. So there is something I applied in on this hair which is called beetroot. So that is why it's reddish like this. So I applied it before applying this hair mask. So this is as in what is inside this plate is coconut oil for moisture, and this is my egg. So today I decided to be steaming my daughter's hair with coconut oil on the egg. So the coconut oil is going to be serving as the moisture. So we are going to be doing, you're going to, don't let your coconut oil to be too big. At least 20 ml is okay for one egg. So I'm going to break my egg, which you have seen me do. I'm going to be mixing it, thoroughly mix it. So guys, yeah, make sure you're going to be mixing this in a, as in mix it very thoroughly, very well, so that it's going to be giving you that creamy vibe. So make sure the oil doesn't separate from the egg. That is why I say you are going to be mixing it very well. So guys, if you're a patient that your hair is not really growing, you're suffering from hair loss, egg mask is actually very wonderful for hair. It's very wonderful for hair because it's rich in treatment that deeply nourishes and strengthens and hydrates your hair. Also, egg repairs damaged hair and boosts shine and increase hair elasticity, which helps to reduce breakage, frizz, and split ends. Egg masks are, as in, it stimulates the scalp, promoting healthier and strong scalp. In this video, the length of this hair did not really show very well, but the little one you are seeing you shows you that this hair is very healthy. Like I told you, you can see the hair is somehow reddish. So I applied beetroot on this hair. So I applied the beetroot and I waited for like 1 hour before applying this egg mask. You can see that the color is really affecting my palm. Reason why I did it that way because my daughter's hair is been long, her hair received treatment. So I decided to be applying beetroot on her hair in the morning. So this is afternoon before I'm going to wash it out. I decided to apply egg mask. So guys, the beetroot is optional. So it depends on you if you still want to do the same thing I do. It's left for you. For me, I think you should just do it as one after the other. And if you want to watch, if you want to know how I prepare the beetroot hairspray, you can go watch other of my video to find out. For now, we are talking about egg mask. So guys, let's talk about the benefits of egg mask. Egg mask strengthens and repairs damaged hair. Egg is made of protein. The high protein content in egg fill up the weak spots and also repairs damaged hair which cause from heat and styling. So like I told you, if your hair is not really growing, your hair is damaged, this egg mask, just be doing it once in a week. You're going to see your hair changing. Like, you're going to come to this platform to tell me that it really works. So I'm waiting for you guys to go and try this. Try it. Just give it a try. And also, the egg yolk add a deep moisture. Egg yolk are rich in fats and fats like lecithin, which nourishes dry hair, improving softness and manageability. So while the egg white cleanses the scalp of excess oil, making it useful for treating greasy hair. So guys, there is one thing I need you guys to know. Consistency matters. Without consistency, you are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. So I want you to apply consistency. Have patience. Like, this is not magic. but it really works. When I say it works, doesn't mean it's going to be performing as a magic. So you got to apply consistency and be patient. So when you do this, be consistent. Like, just give it a try. Just give it a 3 months. Be consistent in it. You see that your hair is improving. And when you see that your hair is improving, do not stop. Still be consistent in it. So also there are a lot of things that can help you to grow your hair. So you go watch other of my video and find out what things, other things I do to my daughter's hair. Just copy it and do it to your own hair and wait for results to know whether your hair is going to be changing, is going to be growing or not. So guys, this is the end of this video. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel to push this channel moving and also getting notified anytime I post an interesting video like this. So guys, tell me on the comment section if you have ever tried this type of recipe on your hair and if you are going to be trying it on your hair. So guys, I'm going to cover it then and leave it for 30 to 1 hour then and wash it out. So guys, I love you all. See you all on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.